Hello from all the way back there.
Hello, hello, hello. So morning, we're back on the boat, and boy, it's cold. So unfortunately, our plans have all changed. Christmas came and went, and the flooring is still this flooring. Not that we haven't done stuff. We've done lots of varnishing at home, but we just the weather hasn't been warm enough. And unfortunately, this weekend, it's the weekend we were going to do the flooring. We're currently in like -2.
Yeah.
So, which goes down to -4.
Minimum temperatures for the adhesive that we're using for the floor.
Yeah.
And obviously, without that adhesive, we can't put the floor down.
No. So we've had to think of other things to do. So we've bought the the wood. Chop your head off for those bits that go across. And those bits that go across,
they need to be trimmed and then drilled. Once they're drilled, we can then drill out the hole in the ceiling and the foam and fit the liners into those.
So we'll crack on with what we can do, and then we'll go home and carry on varnishing, cutting, varnishing, sanding, and yeah, we'll see what we can get up to today.
Hello, right, okay, here we go. So what I'm doing here is we're just test fitting the piece of plywood across the ceiling. Now it's quite a tight fitting in there, so we had to put a strap underneath it so that we could make sure we get it out. I'm just marking the centre line there for the vent, and then we can pop that back out again. There we go. Did that with both of them, mark the centre line in, so that we can drill a nice big hole in it. There we go, so pop a centre hole in first. Just like that. And then change to the big hole cutter. This is 92mm, which matches the size of our vent. So go through from one side first, a little bit, and then go through from the other side all the way through. There we go. Nice neat hole, not too much split out, which is really good. Do the same again. I've just got to pop out the little middle bit that came off. Alright, so partial way through, and then just there, and then it goes home to varnish. So game for today is to get these strips fitted up here, put the liners in here and get the grills fitted on, and that should be those bits finished. So there's one there and one in the galley. Yeah, we've just done those two. The one in the bathroom won't need a board across because it's not a joint. No, it's in the middle of the ceiling, that one. Yeah. So it's the middle. So we're going to do that when we're actually doing the bathroom. Yep. Right, we'll crack on with these then. Yeah. Okay, here we go. So got that to be a nice fit there. Everything is lining up pretty good. So here's Ruth to come and stand in front of the camera. Thanks, Ruth. Nice bobble hat. Yep, so what I'm going to do is just check, just make sure it's square, because you don't want it wonky. A little tap, and worry about that. Nope, another tap, and yeah, we're good. So next thing to do is to get these fastened into place. So I'm just going to pin them in with a nail gun. So get Ruth to hold that nice and tight while I pin it all in. And there we we go. Easy as that. So next thing now is the liners that go inside. So these have already been split, so they're the right size when they're closed up. So just pop that in and tape around the bottom. These are a little bit long for right now, so they need to be cut down. So pop that in, draw around it with a pencil. So these liners will be slightly lower than the piece of wood, deliberately, so that any water that does condensate in there can drip out. It doesn't get to the wood. A little bit of faffing going on there. No. Yep. Yes. No. Yes, it's coming out. So pop that out the hole, and just needs to be cut.
Okay.
I should do that. You chop and then it's cut.
No.
Why?
Because we're not.
Funny.
No. Will it have worked? Yes. I want holding.
Just hold on to this, stop it moving around.
Oh God, you're going to saw my finger off, aren't you?
No, because I'm going this way. Okay, so we're just putting some sealant adhesive around the inside. So this is on the bottom edge of the roof vent. So what this is do is to seal up the gap between the roof vent and the liner that goes inside. So plenty on there. We'll pop this in. We'll just push that up into place. A little bit of squidge out, which is good. It's there. And then it's just a case of cleaning that joint up inside now. I'll make a nice waterproof joint between the two, so any condensation that forms on the inside drops straight out the bottom. No chance of it getting onto the roof. Or the roof panels, I should say. There we go. And then last thing to do is to pop on the roof vents. All the holes have been pre-drilled. I'd already done those. So it's just a case of screwing those in if I can manage to get it in the right place. There you go. So the liner just drops down onto that sort of mesh, inside that mesh. So as I say, any moisture that does gather in there will come straight out the bottom. It can't go anywhere else. That's it done. Hello, right, okay, that's that little job finished. So we've done both of these now, so these are all nice and finished, fastened to the ceiling. The drip liners are in, so any drips now that come, any condensation that formed inside, when it drips it'll come straight out the bottom here through this mesh. It can't get to the wood and it can't get to this ring, so all be good, and that's it. I'm quite pleased with those, they've gone together very well. Yeah, no,
they really finished the ceiling.
Yep.
So yeah, all good. So thank you for watching this time.
Yep.
And yeah, go on.
Yep. Yeah, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you can. That'd be very helpful. And we'll see you next time when we'll do something else. Probably with wood and varnish.
On a boat.
On a boat.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Saoirse.